Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of March 8th through the 14th. I am using this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's a Pinterest person, but it's got this like bookish vibes. I know I used one of her kits like 2 weeks ago, but I was just feeling the vibes right now. In terms of washi, I pulled a bunch. This is a Michaels washi, AliExpress. This one I think is from Meyer. These two are from AC Moore, back when that was a thing. And then I also have these from Amazon, and then this one's from Dollar Tree. So my plan is to use this one along the top, and then these two along the bottom. That's my plan. I'm also going to stick these in. I trimmed these all short, as you saw a couple weeks ago if you watched my video at that point. I trimmed off one section of each of these so that it'll fit along the bottom the way it works out. So my plan is to stick this washi on the top and these on the bottom, and then I'll come back so we can do full boxes, and then I'll sort out the rest of the details at that point. All right, so this is the base so far. Loving how it turned out. You might have noticed I disappeared for a second. It's because I realized I forgot to pull my stickers for daylight savings time, which I'm gonna now wipe this part out, and there we go. Okay, so this will be the sidebar, obviously. Again, like I did last time, this means that I just don't have a functional sidebar, but honestly, that's not that big a deal to me. I definitely forgot to trim the bottom of this. I'm just gonna like hopefully carefully separate it and then cut it with scissors, because that is easier than trying to trim it at this point. There we go. So if I put it right up against, I think that'll work. I'm gonna turn it sideways. I feel like that's a lot easier. So there we go. That's definitely not 100% straight, but I feel like it looks straight enough that I'm just gonna trim it as is along the back here. This turns out to take a lot more concentration than one would think. To trim this like tiny amount off up here. I'm trying to like minimize how much of the page I cut. All right. I think that'll work. Okay. I don't think it's super obvious that it's crooked, so I'm just gonna leave it and problem solved. Then I don't have to find my undo. So I have 9 boxes. What I've done in the past is I've like cut a couple of them so that they can become the headers, but none of these really work for that. So I'm gonna skip these 2 boxes as ones that kind of like have vibes that I could use in another week in the future when I have like extra space in a sidebar or something like that. And then I'm gonna put in the other ones for this spread. So first up, I'm gonna stick this one down, and this is gonna go on Thursday because it's like the most quote box like. So I feel like that one fits the best there. Let's see. I feel like these 3 are kind of angled such that they need to go on this page. So I think I'm just gonna put them all on that page and then put the other ones on the other side, even though I'm not sure that it's like the most color balanced ever. I don't like things to be like leaving the page if I can help it, you know? I don't know, maybe I sound like a crazy person. Alright, there we go. This one's the last one. Like so, and then on this side, I think I'm gonna put this one first. And then I think this one, because I feel like the colors are basically the same as the sidebar and I don't want it to like be touching. And then this one. All right, there we go. So that is all of those. I now need to stick some washi underneath. And I think my plan is to use this kind of like scaly, skinny washi. So I'm gonna stick this down and then I'm gonna stick down these guys. And I'm gonna speed up through that part so that you don't have to watch it because it'll be terrible. And then I will be right back. Okay, so that is the whole base down. I do have this little space down here that I feel like I should fill in with something. Does this washi fit? Oh, I just tore the washi. Oh, this one is just terrible. Sometimes washi gets like too sticky to itself. And it just starts like shredding. I'm like trying to get this peeled up. I might just have to like give up and use a different washi. If anyone has tips for how they get this like really stuck washi restarted, let me know, because I have a few washis like this and I don't want to waste them because I really like them. And like tearing it like this is just like terrible, and then I end up with like scraps all over me and all over the table and under my fingernails apparently. Ah, there we go. So this one is like slightly too long for the page. So I'm gonna have to do some more trimming. It's like just a little bit too long. There we go. All right. Hopefully that's the last of the annoying things to deal with. All right. So this is everything we have so far. All right, now we can start on the daily things. So to start out with, I'm going to use these Creative Cavern Studio Aspen working stickers to mark work for this week. Work is like super busy and will be for the foreseeable future. So I feel like it's nice to use something cute to mark it in my planner, since I know it's going to be taking up a lot of my time and mind space and all that stuff. All right, there we go. I also want to mark on Monday that I'm going to put up my plan with me. This is a Piper Paper Company film tape strip. I have a coupon code down below if you are interested. Gives you 20% off, I believe. I'm trying to like stick it back here in my planner or my sticker book, and it's of course being challenging. All right, got that done. Tuesday I might have a movie night with friends, but we haven't confirmed yet, so I'm gonna just not fill it in and then I'll just add it if we do. Wednesday I'm not sure what's going on. This is the Briar this week, so mostly watching that, I think. Thursday, work again. And then Friday, more work. I like my job, but it's also exhausting right now. All right, there we go. That one's done. I'm gonna stick it back in my organization system. Okay, nothing really is scheduled for any of these days. On Saturday/Sunday, I do want to mark a couple things. So one of these sticker books, I'm not sure which one, has the holidays in it. These are Happy Planner sticker books. And, oh, it's this one. Okay. So I want to put in, I'm using these pretty well this year. So this daylight savings time starts. There's a couple that I didn't put in. President's Day, Columbus Day. Didn't really care that much. Veterans Day is my sister's birthday. MLK Jr. Day. Didn't have a huge impact on my life. Boss's Day. Not a huge impact on my life. So those didn't go in, obviously. But there we are. So this needs to go on this day. But it's like really big. Whatever, it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna stick it in and put it like pretty far over, and then I'm gonna take, I have it here somewhere. I think I'm gonna use the orange ones because they're cute. These are from Courses Creations. These are her Meowry Curie little guys. Gonna stick that one in as well. And that's because it's also Pi Day. So I'm just going to put like a little note next to it that says Pi Day. Get 2 for 1 in that space. Okay, so I think that's all my like for sure plans right now, which I know is really boring, but you're probably used to it if you've been watching recently, and the fact that my life is just not very eventful. So I'm going to fill out the stuff I do know with this iHow 0.38, get them at Amazon, and then I will be right back. All right, so as I just said, not a lot to fill in, so it goes pretty fast, but I'm loving how it's turning out so far. I think it's really cute, fun. It's got spring vibes, even though the weather's a little bit all up in the air. We'll see how that goes, but stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Super cute, very like anytime kit, but still has some spring vibes, like with the butterflies. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Pretty Planner Printables, which is on Pinterest. Ooh, say that 5 times fast. I do have 2 full boxes left over, which I'm going to throw in my leftovers, but otherwise I used up everything I printed from the kit. So if I don't mention it, came from there. Both these bottom washies are from AC Moore. Obviously they're not open anymore, but I still have them, so I'm still using them, and I liked the vibes and thought it went with this spread. This washi is from Michaels, and then this top washi is from Dollar Tree. All these work stickers are from Creative Cavern Studio. This is a Piper Piper Paper Company sticker, Skinny Washies from Amazon, another Creative Cavern Studio. This comes from a Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. This is an old Recollections sticker from one of my old planners. That's another Creative Cavern Studio. This is Chasing Chels, Happy Planner, Courses Creations, Happy Planner, and then everything else came from the kit, I think. So not a lot to tell you about this week. It was a pretty good week. Took my cat to the vet, got his new start checkup, ate a lot of food over the weekend, watched The Briar in Canada, and that's pretty much it. So please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using for spring and summer. I've got March obviously figured out, but working on April, May, June right now, trying to figure out what exactly I'm going to use for that time period. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, post a little bit about what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.